All right, let's talk about our calendar. We are in our new month, which is called what? Think? You said September. Way to remember. Good. All right, what year are we in? Yes, still 2020. All right, so our pattern has been circle, rectangle, triangle. What do you think will be here? Could it go back to circle? Could we have a rectangle? Could we have another triangle? What do you think? Let me show you. We went back to circle, so our pattern is starting over. So our pattern right now is circle, rectangle, triangle, and then it's going to start over. All right, yesterday we had a 3 on our date tag. What number comes after 3? Yes, 4. Add my 4. All right, there we go. So today's date is what? September 4th, 2020. All right, let's write it. I'm going to start with my uppercase letter because it's the name of the month. Capital S, E, P, T, E, M, B, E, R. And then I need a finger space and then the number on the date tag, which is 4. And then I need a comma and then another finger space and then the year, which is 2020. You got it. Whoops. All right, let's say our date. Today's date is September 4th, 2020. All right, here's today's date tag. If I go straight up, that'll tell me today's day of the week, which is, think, Friday. All right, so I need a capital F because it's the name of the day of the week. Friday. So we would say today is Friday, September 4th, 2020. If I go back to today on the calendar and I go backwards 1, that'll tell me what yesterday's day of the week was. What was yesterday's day of the week? Think. Thursday. Nice. And if I go back to today again and I go forward 1, it'll tell me what tomorrow is. Right. Tomorrow is Saturday, the weekend. Hope you have a great weekend. Time for our Days of the Week song. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 And there are how many days of the week? Yes, 7. Let's sing our months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. And how many months do we have all together in the year? Right, we have 12. And what number is September? It's the 9th month. All right, last time we're going to count to 100 for the week. Let's make it a good one. Get on some really good exercises like jumping jacks or let's see, I don't know, maybe you could clap and then on the 10s you could spin or something really fun like that. All right, ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right, tell me what number 11 and 12 start with. Right, they start with ones. And what about our teen numbers? What number do our teens start with? They also start with 1. Good. What about our 20s? What do our 20s start with? Think. They start with 2. These are all the 20s. Look at, they all start with the number 2. All right. What about our 30s? What number do our 30s start with? They start with the 3. Yes, all these 30s are starting with the number 3. Nice. How many days were we in school yesterday? Here's a number that starts with a 3, so we know it says 30. Yes, 34. Good. So yesterday was 34 days in school. So we are going to add another Lincoln cube to our extra tower. And then let's see how many days we're in school today. Do I still have 3 towers of 10? I sure do. So I'm going to leave my 3 in the tens place. And let's count the ones, the extras. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to erase my 4 and put a 5. How many days have we been in school now? Number 3 says 30. Yes, 35. 35 days smarter. Nice. Starting today in math meeting, we are going to be solving a pattern, a number pattern. So let's look to figure this pattern out. We're going to take what is given to us and figure out, are we going forward when we're counting? Are we going backward, and by how many? So let's count the numbers together. Ready? 3, 4, 5. So we would say that we're moving forward because the numbers are getting bigger. Which direction are we moving in? Yes, we're moving forward because the numbers are getting bigger. And we're just going to the next number, so we'd say we're counting by 1. What are we counting by? 1, exactly. So if we're just counting to the next number, let's see if we can figure out what these last 3 numbers are. Ready? Whoops. 3, 4, 5. What number comes after 5? Think. If you said 6, you are right. So I'm going to write a 6 here. All right. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6. What number comes after 6? Think. What is it? Right, it's 7. So I'm going to put a 7. All right, let's go back to the beginning and count again. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes next? Think. Right, it's 8. Okay, now we're going to go back and we're going to double check and make sure it makes sense. We said we were going forward, which means the numbers are getting bigger. Do they all look like they're getting bigger each time? Yes. We said we're counting by 1, so we just need to go to the next number. So as we're counting, let's just make sure we're going to the next number. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did we just keep going to the next number? We sure did. Great job with your first number pattern. Today, we are also going to start counting coins and putting them in a coin cup. So, as you can see, here's our fancy dancy coin cup, and we've got a bunch of coins here. What coin is this? Think. It's the penny. I don't know if Mrs. Payne has talked to you about our poem, but let me teach you this fun poem. It says, penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. 1 cent. Is that how much our penny is worth? It is. And is our penny copper brown? It sure is. Let's say it again. Ready? Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. So when we count our pennies, you're just going to count by ones, which is just like the pattern we just chose. Only this time we're going to count by ones. Now, as we count by 1, each time I put a penny in, we're gonna go to the next number, okay? So practice with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many pennies did I have today? I had 7, so I'm going to write down 7. Now, listen, remember how I said that each penny is worth 1 cent? So if I have 7 pennies, watch, I also have 7 cents. I have 7 what? 7 cents. This word right here spells cents. So this says I have 7 cents. Now, to write out cents, look, I had to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Let me show you an easier way to write cents. Instead of writing 5 letters, I keep the C and I draw a line straight down. That's the symbol. This right here is the cent symbol. What is it called? The cent symbol. So anytime you see this, you're going to say cents. So how much money do I have in my coin cup? I have 7 cents. How much money? Right, I have 7 cents. Great job using the coin cup today.